Hello to the farmer. Hello to the farmer. I visit a beautiful farm early in the morning. I visit a beautiful farm early in the morning. I laugh when I see the funny pig.
I laugh when I see the funny pig.
The horse eats quickly and looks hungry. The horse eats quickly and looks hungry. The girl walks slowly into the quiet farm. The cows are eating fresh green grass in the field. The cows are eating fresh green grass in the field. I stand near the cows and watch them quietly. I stand near the cows and watch them quietly. The chickens run quickly around the small yard.
The chickens run quickly around the small yard.
She gives some food to the hungry chickens. She gives some food to the hungry chickens. The ducks are swimming happily in the small pond. The ducks are swimming happily in the small pond. I really like the cute and friendly ducks. I really like the cute and friendly ducks. The dog follows the girl everywhere on the farm. The dog follows the girl everywhere on the farm. I take some nice photos of the animals. I take some nice photos of the animals. The pig is very big and looks a little dirty. The pig is very big and looks a little dirty. The pig is very big and looks a little dirty.
The goat jumps happily on a big rock. The goat jumps happily on a big rock.
I laugh because the goat looks very funny. I laugh because the goat looks very funny.
The horse runs fast across the open field. The horse runs fast across the open field.
The sheep are soft, white, and very calm. The sheep are soft and very calm. I touch the sheep gently with my hand. I touch the sheep gently with my hand. The girl picks some fresh carrots from the garden. The girl picks some fresh carrots from the garden. The carrots look clean and very delicious. The carrots look clean and very delicious.
I help her carry the heavy basket. I help her carry the heavy basket.
The barn is very large and quite old. The barn is very large and quite old.
She opens the big wooden door of the barn. She opens the big wooden door of the barn.
The cows are resting quietly inside the barn. The cows are resting quietly inside the barn.
I walk slowly and look around the barn. I walk slowly and look around the barn.
The air inside smells like dry hay. The air inside smells like dry hay. The girl drinks a glass of fresh milk. The girl drinks a glass of fresh milk. The milk tastes sweet and very fresh. The milk tastes sweet and very fresh. I sit under a big tree and relax. I sit under a big tree and relax. The sun is warm and bright today. The sun is warm and bright today. She enjoys the fresh air on the farm. She enjoys the fresh air on the farm. I see the lazy cat and smile. I see the lazy cat and smile. The rooster sings loudly in the morning. The rooster sings loudly in the morning. She wakes up early to explore the farm. She wakes up early to explore the farm. The farm feels very quiet and peaceful. The farm feels very quiet.
I feel happy and relaxed in this place. I feel happy and relaxed in this place.
She brings clean water for the animals. She brings clean water for the animals. I watch the ducks swimming again. The ducks make funny sounds in the pond. The ducks make funny sounds in the pond. The goat looks at me with curious eyes. The goat looks at me with curious eyes. She gives some leaves to the goat. She gives some leaves to the goat. She gives some leaves to the goat. I carefully hold a small yellow chick. I carefully hold a small yellow chick. The chick feels very soft in my hands. The chick feels very soft in my hands. She learns about many kinds of vegetables. She learns about many kinds of vegetables. I pick some red tomatoes from the tree. I pick some red tomatoes from the tree. The tomatoes look fresh and juicy. The tomatoes look fresh and juicy.
The girl washes the vegetables with clean water. The girl washes the vegetables with clean water.
The water is cool and very clear. The water is cool and very clear. I help clean the farm with simple tools. I help clean the farm with simple tools. The broom is standing near the door. The broom is standing near the door. The broom is standing near the door.
She sweeps the yard carefully and slowly. She sweeps the yard carefully and slowly.
The yard looks clean and tidy now. The yard looks clean and tidy now.
The pig rolls happily in the muddy ground. The pig rolls happily in the muddy ground. The sheep eat grass together in a group. The sheep eat grass together in a group.
She walks slowly beside the sheep. She walks slowly beside the sheep.
The dog barks loudly near the gate. The dog barks loudly near the gate. I call the dog and wave my hand. I call the dog and wave my hand. The dog runs quickly toward me. The dog runs quickly toward me. The dog wags its tail happily. The dog wags its tail happily. The horse drinks water from a bucket. The horse drinks water from a bucket. I watch the beautiful sunset on the farm. I watch the beautiful sunset on the farm. The sky turns orange and pink in the evening. The sky turns orange and pink in the evening. She takes more photos of the farm.
She takes more photos of the farm.
The animals start to rest at night. I feel a little tired, but very happy. I feel a little tired, but very happy. I want to visit this farm again. I want to visit this farm again. The farm is a wonderful place to relax. The farm is a wonderful place to relax.
The girl walks slowly back to her home. The girl walks slowly back to her home.
I remember this special day on the farm. I remember this special day on the farm. The animals are very friendly and gentle. The animals are
very friendly and gentle.
She really loves the simple farm life. She really loves the simple farm life. The cow looks at her with calm eyes. The cow looks at her with calm eyes. I smile when I look at the cow. The chicken lays eggs in a small box. The chicken lays eggs in a small box. She collects the eggs carefully. She collects the eggs carefully. I put the eggs into the basket. I put the eggs into the basket. The basket becomes full of fresh eggs. The basket becomes full of fresh eggs.
The goat eats green leaves from a tree. The goat eats green leaves from a tree.
I take a deep breath and relax. I take a deep breath and relax. The air is fresh and very clean. The air is fresh and very clean. The farm is green, clean, and peaceful. The farm is green, clean, and peaceful. She feels relaxed and happy here. She feels relaxed and happy here. I enjoy this simple and quiet life. I enjoy this simple and quiet life.
The animals sleep quietly in the barn. The animals sleep quietly in the barn.
The girl feels calm and peaceful. The girl feels calm and peaceful. I truly love this farm visit experience. I truly love this farm visit experience.